अब चलिए आपको सीधे दिल्ली लिए चलते हैं। प्रदेश कांग्रेस प्रभारी अजय माकन प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं। आपको सीधी तस्वीरें भी हम दिखा रहे हैं, सुनिए।
And despite the crude oil prices having fallen to almost half, the petrol and diesel prices have gone up. As I have said, petrol 71.51 to 85.70 and diesel a whopping 57.28 to 75.88. This is the increase of petrol and diesel prices. And the sole reason why there is such an increase of petrol and diesel prices is because the central government has increased the excise on diesel by 8 times and on petrol by 2.5 times. The additional excise burden to the exchequer, to the common man, to the consumer is 23 rupees 78 paisa per litre on diesel and 28 rupees 37 paisa per litre on petrol, which is 8 times 820% to be precise on diesel and 258% to be precise on petrol. This is the increase of excise duty on diesel and petrol, because of which the burden has fallen on the common consumer. The central government has earned more than 20 lakh crore rupees from this additional excise. What we are saying is that if the central government reduces the additional excise, withdraws the additional excise which it has charged in the last 6 years, the petrol prices will fall down to 61 rupee 92 paisa and diesel prices will fall down to 47 rupee 51 paisa. So the additional burden of excise is to the extent of 8 times on diesel and 2.5 times on petrol, and this is the reason why the petrol and diesel prices have gone all-time high. Never in the past in the history the petrol and diesel prices have touched so high. As far as the LPG is concerned, I would like to remind you that during our time we used to give 12 cylinders as subsidy for LPG. That has been completely withdrawn. At the moment, the LPG in open market is around 700 rupees. Whereas LPG in open market without subsidy during our time, again, as I have said, 12 cylinders per year were on subsidy. The prices were much lower. But without subsidy even, the prices, the market price was 414 rupees per cylinder. It has gone up to almost 700 rupees per cylinder without subsidy at the moment. So the central government should immediately withdraw the additional excise duty which it has charged in the last 6 years, and the petrol prices should fall down to 61 rupee 92 paisa and diesel to 47 rupee 51 paisa as soon as the central government withdraws the additional excise duty which it is charging on diesel and petrol. The most important question now is, where has this more than 20 lakh crore rupees gone? The central government has gathered through petrol and diesel excise more than 20 lakh crore in last more than 6 years. So where this huge amount has gone? Our jawans, our government employees, their DAs are being cut. Our small entrepreneurs, our MSME, they are continuously under pressure from the bank to repay the loans, or they are continuously under the pressure of the taxation authorities. There is huge unemployment across the country. The farmers are committing suicide. So where has this amount, this more than 20 lakh crore rupees amount has gone? Has it gone into the pockets of